This morning I was hit up by Jasper Elm's 27 Leaks, and he showed me some information that that will blow your mind. It's actually, we have heard about this new battery that will provide the Mini 3 Pro with extended flight time of 47 minutes. And it actually turns out that the battery size will be the same. Of course, the power level can't be the same, but it's pretty amazing that they have managed to pack down that amount of power into the same form factor as the 35-minute battery. So that will be super exciting to see once that becomes available. Additionally, now there is images online showing the Fly More combo, how that would look like and what it would contain. And from the images you will see, we get the 2 traditional extra batteries, we are getting a bag, we are getting 4 sets of props, USB-C wire, and a charging cradle. So that's pretty much a standard pack. Doesn't seem that the indie fillers will be included. Finally, some unofficial pricing has been leaked from one of the subscribers. Sent me kindly the screenshot of a UK web shop showing the prices that is to be expected when it hits the UK market. Thank you to Mark Ablett for providing this info. So that's all for now. Over and out, fast reporting from the road. I hope you liked this video. If you did, then feel free to give a like. If you did like it, feel free to press the dislike button twice. Thank you for watching, and I'll be seeing you around.